Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia on Tuesday has said that the COVID vaccine for children is expected to be launched in the country very soon, perhaps by August. Covaxin trials are underway on children aged between 2 to 6 years in Delhi AIIMS. Here are all the latest updates you need to know on a vaccine perhaps being available for children very soon in India.
India is all set to vaccinate children, a full 1.5 years after the pandemic started in the country. On Tuesday, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia said at a meeting of the BJP's Parliamentary Committee that the government would likely start vaccinating children next month. But you heard it from the top policy makers first on India Today.
We could have physical schools opening up in some way. Various strategies can be looked at in terms of looking at screening, trying to see that we have certain activities which can lead to crowding not being allowed in schools, or having a day of having a mechanism where half the school comes on one day and the other half comes on the other day, so that we have schools opening up, but the crowds that we see in classes is not there because it can be redistributed in various classes, and that can also help.
Experts indicate that the drive is expected to start before the onset of the third wave of COVID.
Cadila Zydus, they have completed their main trial, which has more than 28,000 individuals. So we are looking forward that sometime in August, if the results are available, we can then start preparing for immunizing our children.
So what vaccines are in the pipeline? Zydus Cadila has concluded its trial for children between the age group of 12 to 18. The vaccine to be given to kids above 12 years of age. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin trials are expected to be completed by September. Vaccine trials are to be conducted for children between 2 to 17 years. The vaccine panel has recommended that Serum Institute's vaccine be granted permission to conduct phase 2 and 3 trial of Covovax on children between 2 to 17 years. The trial will be conducted on 920 children. Pfizer-BioNTech's mRNA vaccine are to be imported. These vaccines are being used in children above 12 globally.
The question really is if there is going to be enough doses for children, given the fact that all vaccines can't be given to children and the population below the age of 18 to be vaccinated is also huge in the country.
As not all vaccines are allowed to be used in children, the challenge of inoculating every child is huge. Once the drive kickstarts, it will pave way for normal life for children and protect them against the inevitable third wave. This also opens up the prospect for opening up schools in the country, for which the conversation has already begun. With Sneha Mordani, Bureau Report, India Today.